Our stock in focus this morning is F&B leisure operator Only World Group or OWG, which operates The Top at Komta Tower in Penang. CGS CIMB keeping its whole call on the counter with a target price of 36 sen. OWG last closed at 38 sen. So OWG posted a core net loss of 14.1 million ringgit in the third quarter of FY21, bringing its 9-month core net loss to 32.6 million. CGS CIMB says the loss was wider than expected, mainly due to the more severe impact from the implementation of MCO 2.0. 9-month revenue slumped by 76.4% year-on-year as movement curbs led to lower visitations for both its amusement and food service operations. And even when allowed to operate, its amusement operations were limited to 50% visitor capacity. Now with MCO 3.0, CGS CIMB says the already poor near-term recovery prospects for OWG are looking murkier. It expects the group to keep operating costs under control while expanding delivery channels for its food service operations during this period. The curbs will likely keep OWG in the red in the coming quarter. The research house is forecasting wider losses for FY21. It cut its EPS forecast by 73.9% for FY22 and 56.5% for FY23. Now, last December, OWG completed a rights issue exercise, raising circa 23.9 million ringgit that should provide an adequate cash buffer to weather the ongoing pandemic. But a prolonged period of movement restrictions beyond the fourth quarter of FY21 could spell the need for further capital raising. CGS CIMB is the only research house covering OWG, so to recap, that's one hold with a target price of 36 sen. OWG closed at 38 sen yesterday, so that's a potential downside of about 5%.